the skies burned as a giant asteroid tore through the heavens. In seconds, the world of dinosaurs changed forever. This is the dramatic moment when a massive space rock slammed into our planet, bringing an end to the reign of the dinosaurs. But life would go on. It just wouldn't be the same ever again. The ground exploded with fire as the asteroid, smaller than the one that killed the dinosaurs, but still many miles wide, smashed into the earth. Oceans rose in towering waves that crashed over coastal cities. Tall forests were turned to ash and burned to the ground. And yet, the mighty T-Rex roared one last time, fighting against the chaos as huge herds of Triceratops and Brachiosaurus ran together, desperately trying to outrun the advancing darkness, protecting their young until the very end. But nothing could stop the approaching storm from the sky. Huge chunks of debris filled the air, blocking out the sun and plunging the earth into darkness. Birds flew frantically about, their panicked cries echoing across the dying land. And so the age of the dinosaurs ended in silence. But their legacy never died. Their bones, buried deep in the ground, would one day tell the story of giants who ruled the world. And now you know, the last day of the dinosaurs was really just the beginning of history. Do you know any obscure facts about the dinosaurs? Share them below. We're learning more about dinosaurs all the time, like how some of them were feathered, or how others laid eggs. What's your favorite dinosaur fact? Let us know in the comments.